This question says a block of mass m moving at a speed v collides with another block of mass 2m at rest. The lighter block comes to rest after collision. The coefficient of restitution is. So what all things we know? First case, a block of mass m moving at a speed v. So m1 is m, u1 is v, m2 is 2m, u2 is 0. Now v1 is 0. I need to find what is v2. So we'll use conservation of momentum. So m1 u1 plus m2 u2 should be equal to m1 v1 plus m2 v2. m1 is m into v plus 2m into 0 equal to m into 0 plus 2m into v2. So from this I'll get mv equal to 2m into v2. So mm cancels, v2 equal to v by 2. Right? Now what is coefficient of restitution? Coefficient of restitution can be written as v2 minus v1 by u1 minus u2. So E equal to v2 is v by 2, v1 is 0, u1 is v, and u2 is 0. So from this I get v by 2 by v, that is equal to 1 by 2, that is 0.5. Hence the coefficient of restitution in this collision is 0.5. That is option B. Hope you could follow this. Thank you very much.